So today I have with me the Dansker S16 dual channel dashcam, and what this camera does is gives you such a long list of features for such a small price that you will be compelled to take a second look at this camera. Starting off with the fact that this comes at a price of about $77.89 that's close to 6,900 Indian rupees. This camera is a dual channel setup shooting a 4K resolution from the front, upscaled, and a full HD resolution from the rear. This camera also gives you a touchscreen display at the back, close to 2.6 inches, so you can easily swipe between the various dashcam views, the front and the rear, and of course you can even access the settings and change around the settings using the touchscreen panel. The S16 also offers you an inbuilt GPS along with giving you the GPS coordinates and the speed of the car being recorded straight up on the video. Another very practical feature of this camera is that this gets a 360-degree rotatable mount, which means you can turn around the camera in any direction you want. And of course, this also gets a suction mount for the windshield, which means it is super easy to attach and super easy to detach and place it anywhere you want the dashcam to be. Another cool thing about this camera is that this gets a reverse view camera. Basically, the camera is mounted outside your car at the rear bumper, and you get reverse guidelines straight up on the display when you engage the reverse gear. So the large display ensures that you have a good view of the rear on the screen, so you can easily take reverse, and this is going to help you, especially if you're a new driver, to see at the back even without turning your head. The S16 also features two ADAS built-in features, so you can enable or disable them using the inbuilt settings. So these ADAS features are crucial and important for your everyday driving, and they will be helpful in assisting you in your everyday drives. Lastly, this camera also gets a driver fatigue alert system, which you can enable via the settings of this camera, which is going to remind you to take a break at set intervals of time. Now, all these features are coming in at a price of less than 7,000 or close to 6,900 Indian rupees, or about $77 in the current going on discount offer on the Dansker page. So as an entry-level dashcam which kind of offers you features that are available in premium dash cameras, this would be the perfect camera for you to take a dive into the world of dashcams. That being said, if you are interested in grabbing this right now, go ahead. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. The offer might not last forever, so it's about time you went ahead and grabbed this camera for yourself. If you do have any doubts or queries, just write them down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, the full review of the S16 will be dropping soon on my channel. If you don't want to miss that video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of GizmoBabe right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a feature-rich camera under the budget segment. See you in the next one.